Bonjour, my name is Christelle Loubeon. I'm a microbiologist and I'm from the University of Abomey-Calavi in Benin. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to WACBIP and GSK for this insightful opportunity. One of the crucial and valuable lessons that I have returned from this workshop is the critical role of integrating genome sequencing and data analysis through bioinformatics tool to decode the complexities of AMR. For the first part of the training, I was part of the bioinformatics group, and I've built a strong foundation in data analysis, and this allowed me to analyze large data sets more effectively, and then making my research more robust and data driven. And for this follow-up training, I'm focusing on enhancing my proficiency on genome sequencing, especially using Illumina technology.
In February, we did a hands-on training where we had both lab and downstream data processing training. And the current workshop is a follow-up on that workshop where we are selecting participants who have their own projects that are quite mature, where they have collected samples and have specific questions that they want to address. The aim is also to help some of them who are students and postdocs to achieve their postdoc objectives and their student research objectives. So the current work we are doing is a follow-up on the previous workshop, but it's more targeted at specific projects that we can take from sample collection through to quality control, sequencing, and data analysis.
Bonjour, my name is Hélène Kamasa. I'm a PhD student at WACBIP. I had the opportunity to participate in AMR and sequencing workshop organized by WACBIP. Through this workshop, I gained valuable skills and hands-on experience in sequencing methodology, bioinformatics, tools, and pipeline for AMR data. I intended to use this knowledge gained in my ongoing research, focusing on cervical cancer and vaginal microbiome.
I'm part of the GSK workshop. I facilitated some of the sections. For the past 2 weeks, it's obvious that they have improved in terms of their skills and expertise. They have been able to process data, understand data, analyze data, and also interpret it to help in terms of addressing public health related infections such as antimicrobial resistance, which is a global crisis. So I want to say a big thank you to GSK for the funding, and also to WACBIP and for the opportunity, especially to be a part of the success story of these young Africans. And my word would be that when you give people opportunities, they have a tendency to do well. And within Africa, we have young African talent who knows what they are doing. And with necessary support, they would do well and become global stars.
Hi, my name is Bigo Yakubu. I'm a student of Coming University of Science and Technology and a participant of this NGS Bioinformatics workshop. I think this is the follow-up of the initial workshop, which was basically on bioinformatics, and then we've come to continue with the wet lab aspect. And for me, this is an eye-opener because I'm learning how to culture bacteria for the first time. I'm also learning antibiotic sensitivity test for the first time, DNA extraction, and of course, sequencing. Going forward, I intend to put this kind of practice into my field of study, and then part of my PhD work as well. I intend to go into antibiotic surveillance and of course characterization.
I would like to imbibe these techniques into my PhD work, which is on AMR surveillance in the Buno region. Thank you very much.